I was a massage therapist for a long time. Now I'm going on like 18 years of being a massage therapist in that career. And I've kind of done every aspect of it that you possibly could, from chiropractors, old folks homes, spas, chair massage, clinic work, volunteering, kind of everything. And I was ready to just expand my knowledge and my healing tools. So I started to look into how I could branch off from massage. Someone actually just mentioned that I should look into Chinese medicine and acupuncture specifically. A lot of massage therapists that I know, when they go to school, will go to chiropractic work or physical therapy, even nursing. But for me, I kind of was just ready for something alternative, I think. I pay way more attention to the channel pathways now when I'm doing body work, and how those are affected. You know, congestion or pain in one area might reflect in other parts of the body. And also some of the Western stuff that they teach us here, I've been able to apply, like in trauma and ortho, with all the different tests to kind of diagnose injuries better and things like that. I've definitely been able to use it in massage.